Would you like to learn what 5 super low microcap and meme coins could you make 100 to 1000x your money investing early? If you'd have put $1,000 into Shiba in August 2020 and sold it in October 2021, you would have made $515 million. That is an outrageous amount. And the fantastic thing is there's going to be more of those opportunities. And what are the cryptocurrencies that could be the next Shiba? My name's the Suppoman, your superhero of 100x gems, and I have found many multiple 100x cryptocurrency. Now, I didn't get into Shiba when it was put across me in January 2021. That decision cost me a 4000x, but my mission is to find the next Shiba, and I am going to look for the best microcap gems in order to be able to do so. So make sure that you smash a like on this video and hit the subscribe button so you get the best alpha from me, the Suppoman, who's been in cryptocurrency for 6 years. Despite the cryptocurrency market at the moment being in a very uncertain period of whether to be greedy, whether to be fearful, whether to buy, whether to sell, there are coins that have been absolutely thriving, and the bag is one of them. This has 200x already. It's gone from a 100k market cap to 26 million. There's another one called Don't Buy Inu. This has done a very similar trajectory from 100k to 20 million in market cap. So there are some degen cryptocurrencies right now that you can potentially make huge bank on if you get into it early, and those are the 5 I'm going to be talking about. As usual, nothing I say is to be construed as financial advice. There is no guarantee of profit or return, and everything I say to you in this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So in order to find the next Shiba Inu, it's very important to analyze why Shiba Inu 500,000x. So these are the key reasons. Luck. Elon invested in Doge in February 2021, and that created a meme season. It created the trend of meme coins, and that's where SafeMoon and Feg and rubbish coins like that just absolutely shot. But Shiba Inu had been around already for 5 months. The Shiba Inu breed of dog is what Doge was created after. So Shiba Inu had a massive amount of relevance because of Dogecoin. And Dogecoin 330x in a very short space of time after Elon had invested in it. So Shiba was a fantastic microcap cryptocurrency that had a full trajectory up because of Doge. Timing. Shiba Inu was 0.1001 at the pivot point to the bull run. Money flow was coming back to cryptocurrency that would take Bitcoin to a new all-time high and create a fantastic DeFi and altcoin season. Plus you had Elon investing in Doge and the whole meme narrative season, so it was a lot to do with luck and timing. It was 55,000 in market cap, and it was ranked 1950, so therefore on page 20 on CoinMarketCap. That meant its multiplier potential to Doge was huge. So would you rather invest in Doge that had smaller gains compared to a tiny market cap that had a strong association with the Doge dog? When you invest in a cryptocurrency, particularly a meme coin, typically there are lots of zeros. If you buy $100 of that cryptocurrency, then typically you will get millions of that token. And people love that. It's got a great psychological effect, a great entertainment and fun factor, because you can fantasize that if you've got 1 million tokens of a meme coin, then you think, what if that meme coin went to $1? I'd be a millionaire. And that's why people buy and hold these meme coins. In at number 5, we have got Optimus AI. Optimus AI is a meme coin that commemorates the Optimus robot that Tesla has created and unveiled on their AI Day. So it's very, very new. It's only just been launched this year. Now it's currently got the Flocky co-founder who only just invested in this coin. And Flocky is one of the top meme coins. So if the Flocky co-founder has just invested in this, it means he sees a lot of potential for this to have a good trajectory to the upside. Where this is going to shine is firstly in artificial intelligence, because The Optimus robot is based on artificial intelligence. It's a robot that Tesla have created that I believe is going to be used for commercial and residential use. This is also likely to do well in meme coin season and any tweet that Elon Musk is putting out regarding the Optimus robot, which at this point there are quite a few. So this is currently 25 cents with a 25 million market cap. It's currently ranked 557 in market rank. Now the best coins of the last bull season were ranked outside the top 500. So this does have the characteristics of a coin that has done very, very well in the past. Now you're probably thinking 25 million is quite a high market cap. However, this has got 100% of coins in circulation, meaning there's going to be no dilution, no inflation. If anything, this should be deflationary and therefore allow for greater price optimization. 2 million in volume, it is close to its all-time high, which was only achieved in the last couple of days of 33 cents, having been at half a cent previously. Now this has got 1.8k hodlers, which means that it's very, very early. A lot of meme coins have thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, in some cases millions of hodlers. So this is still a very early opportunity. And it's on zero watch list because it's not on CoinMarketCap and it's not on CoinGecko. So this is currently got the same market cap as its fully diluted value, which means this could have an explosive trajectory to the upside. For this to compete with Shiba Inu, this would be a 227x, which would mean this would be a $56 cryptocurrency to get up to Shiba Inu's price range. Now, because of the tokenomics, this could have great appreciation. $5 to $10, this means a 20 to 40x. Does this have the potential to go down? Does this have the potential to die out? Yes, because I don't personally believe we're at a pivot point where we're going into a next bull market. I don't think we're there, not for another year at least. So this isn't going to have that benefit of timing. However, with Optimus AI, and this being the main Optimus AI token, because there are other tokens, you can find them on Ethereum and on Binance Smart Chain, this is the main one. So everything else is just an imitator. So that, therefore, they could all pump value into the main one, which is what this is. In at number 4, we have got ZK Tsunami. ZK Tsunami is a ZK rollups based blockchain that does ZK snark transfers. That means that you can pay privately. It's a lot like Monero, Dash, Verge, but much lower market cap and much more ability to shoot up to the upside. Now this is newly created. Hardly anybody knows about this. So this could do really well in the ZK rollups trend, which is trending right now, and the meme coins trend, because it's got the fundamentals of meme coins. So this was only created last month. It's currently at $1.40 and it's a $7.6 million market cap, which puts it at 876 in terms of market rank. Again, corresponding with those qualities that makes a coin shoot up in a bull run or in a bull season. Now, the fantastic thing tokenomically is that all tokens are in circulation. All 5 million are in circulation. So that means no dilution down the line. You're not going to have tons more tokens added to circulation and therefore taking the token price down. If anything, this could be deflationary. This has got 600,000 in daily volume, 703 inclusions on Watchlists, and 2.1k hodlers. Everything is speaking that this is truly early. So it's been 13 cents at its all-time low, so it has gone up 10x, but all that means is that you've missed the run-up from when it was around about $700,000. But it's still very early, it seems, anyway. And it's going to have 0% inflation. Now, in order to get to Sheep's price, this would be at 892x. Now, where I see the problem here is that this doesn't have plentiful amounts of zeros. This is already over $1. So that, in my opinion, doesn't make this quite have that 892x potential. And I do think this has some great upside. This could go to $30 to $50 by the next bull run, 25 to 40x multiple from current price. Now, should we get a recession? Should this go right down? This may be irrelevant by then, who knows? But if you're able to get this, you can just hodl it. You can just hodl it and see it through to the potential end of the next bull run. In at number 3, we have got Crypto GPT. Now, this isn't necessarily created as a meme coin, but it has a keyword, which is what meme coins tend to have. They tend to exploit a trend, exploit a top company. Like OpenAI ERC20 token, that was shooting up when OpenAI and that whole technology, ChatGPT, came out. Now, CryptoGPT is essentially, again, another ZK rollup based cryptocurrency, a layer 2 ZK rollup solution for Ethereum. And what it does is it extracts data from the Ethereum blockchain and it repackages it for you to be able to sell and monetize your data using AI technology. So it's ZK rollups using AI to essentially allow you to earn from your data, which is a fantastic use of AI in my opinion, because there are lots of third-party companies that are able to benefit or profit from using your data or selling your data. So CryptoGPT is basically a decentralized way of being able to own, manage, and sell your data. This is going to be coming out on DAO Maker. The experience from the team comes from working with Alibaba. It's got a previous lead developer from Ripple Labs, and one of the team has a master's in artificial intelligence. So this can do well in layer 1, layer 2, AI, ZK rollups, and the earning ecosystem. So this is basically going to be created this month. It's going to come out at a price of half a cent and 300k market cap, which will put this at 1855 in terms of market rank, which to me is fantastic. As far as you get involved in a cryptocurrency via a launchpad like DAO Maker, you have the ability to make fantastic gains because you get them from ground zero. Now, tokenomically, this does suck a bit because there's going to be 60 million in circulating supply and there's only going to be 2 million in total circulation. So that does not necessarily bode well for tokenomics. But if you get in ground zero, there's not a lot of downside, potentially. Now, there's not much information on everything else because this isn't released yet. However, the people that are creating CryptoGPT already have a myriad of apps. They've got games, fitness apps, dating apps, which all combine to create 2 million users. So 2 million users that can essentially monetize their data. And this will have more when this launches. Now, in order for this to match Singularity, anyway, would be a 1607x, thus making this from half a cent, 562. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen, but from the IDO price, you can expect the best upside getting involved at that point and a potential 400x multiplier. In at number 2, we have got Dogechain. Dogechain, you all know I love already. Dogechain is essentially the blockchain for Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is essentially a currency, a popular internet meme currency, the one that created the whole meme coin category. But Dogechain gives Dogecoin more utility. Instead of it just being purely a currency, this will enable the ability for smart contracts, for DeFi, for NFTs, for gaming, for metaverse, for wallets, and they have got a game called Crypto Arena that's going to be coming out soon that will host a whole series of superstars from the crypto space. Now, as far as team experience is concerned, they have got the co-founder of QuickSwap, the co-founder of FracShares, and the 2 co-founders of Anchor. And Anchor is a top node project, basically. And a lot of Doge OGs are within the team and the contributors. So this can do well when Dogecoin does well, when Elon tweets about Dogecoin, if Twitter decides to accept Dogecoin as a method of payment, meme season, layer 1s, layer 2s, DeFi, NFTs, etc. It's a multi-narrative cryptocurrency. Now, this was created in August 2022. Its current price is 0.0013, so it's actually only around about 50% up from its latest low, which is about 0.0008. So it's actually come down a lot. It's 22 million in market cap, 611 in market rank, despite having a strong association with Dogecoin, which is exactly what Shiba had and why Shiba absolutely launched to the moon. Now, this has got 16 billion in current circulating supply, but that's only 8% in circulation. Now, I'm currently trying to understand the tokenomics model, but I very much doubt, because this is a DAO-based cryptocurrency, is that the DAO, the people who essentially run the token, which is the community at large, they're going to allow for this to be heavily diluted. So they're not going to want that. Now, this has currently got 1.6 million in daily volume. It's on nearly 16,000 watch lists, and it's got 27,000 hodlers. So just good metrics for a cryptocurrency over 22 million market cap. It means a lot of people know about it, but the price doesn't necessarily reflect the number of hodlers. So there is a fantastic ability for this to shoot to the upside. Now, there's 147,000 wallets. This is a lot of people that got airdropped the tokens that had SHIB or had Doge, were part of the airdrop. So this enabled them to game theory a lot of their adoption. Now, as far as performance is concerned, currently it's 300 transactions per second at a 1 cent transaction fee. Now, okay, this doesn't compete with Aptos, Solana, Avalanche, etc. However, this is more than fast enough for the Dogecoin ecosystem. This isn't necessarily going to have mass adoption like Ethereum would. This is really for the meme coin infrastructure. And they've currently got 93 vetted dApps, but potentially over 600 dApps that have actually applied to build on Dogechain. And they've got 6 million in value locked. So that shows that this is a utilized blockchain. The users are actually deriving a benefit from a DeFi point of view. Now, for this to get to Doge's price, this would be a 471x, which would put the price at 70 cents, which currently it's at 0.0013. It's got fantastic upside potential, whichever way you look at it. Now, I do think a recession is going to come up, and I think this could go to 0.0005, which may not be necessarily its all-time low, but it's definitely going to be lower than the lowest price we have seen so far. And I foresee a price of 10 cents. 5 to 10 cents, 100 to 200x. I think this is a no-brainer, personally. In at number 1, we have got AI Pad. Now, AI Pad is a launch pad for AI new projects. AI Pad were brought out by Bluezilla. Bluezilla basically vet and manage the projects that come on AI Pad. They make sure they are fundamentally sound, tokenomically sound, legally sound, so you're not getting involved in a rug pull or a scam. The people that launch via AI Pad will be vetted. So not only do you make the gains on the AI Pad token itself, but also any new cryptocurrencies you're able to invest in via AI Pad. So this was brought out last month, end of last month. It's currently at 63 cents and it's at 2.4 million market cap. That's stupidly low. It's undervalued tremendously. Now this puts it at a market rank of 1191. Now it's got 3.8 million tokens in circulation, which really classes as 2% of the total supply. However, at 2.4 million market cap, this has a lot of room to the upside generally, I believe. It's got 1 million in daily volume, 11.6 thousand watch lists, and it has gone to $1.32, so it has come down 60%. Its all-time low was the IDO price. I don't see that ever coming again. And it's got 6.3k hodlers currently, so a good amount of hodlers, but I don't think that market cap reflects the amount of hodlers. They are going to be launching a cryptocurrency called Magical, and Magical is basically a way of using AI to generate an image and sell that image as an NFT. Now, the cryptocurrencies that have done this is Image AI, that 200x'd in the last little narrative season, and Binance have created a tool called Picasso, which is a way of using AI to create images and to sell them as NFTs. So Magical is doing the exact same thing, and clearly it's a fantastic concept because you can create all sorts of images. Imagine not being able to have to design your own NFTs. You've got an idea for an NFT collection, and all you need is somebody to generate it. So what you do is you would get an NFT artist, but instead of doing that, use the AI technology of Magical to do it for you, and then you've got an NFT collection. It's fantastic, a fantastic idea. And that will come out of AI Pad. But another thing that is rumoured to come out of AI Pad is Arbitrum Pad. Now, Arbitrum is already the 4th largest blockchain as far as total value locked. It's already got one of the fastest adoption rates of any cryptocurrency ever seen, and it's not even launched as a token. It's already got over 2 million users. So that says to me the Arbitrum Pad can absolutely fly, and the way to get into that is via AI Pad. So, for this to match Singularity's price, because this is an AI play essentially, would be a 304x, and that would be $157, which is utterly ridiculous. Now, I'm not necessarily saying it's going to go to that. It's not like a typical Bluezilla, which is in the many zeros again. This actually started at 2 cents, which is a much higher starting price. So this could get to about $50 in price. It all depends on how the market goes. It's nothing I can promise or anything like that. But if we were to have a good run up, particularly in AI projects, then I don't see why AI Pad can't absolutely shoot up, particularly with the projects that are likely to come up very soon. So this could be a 100x multiplier. So there we are. Those were your 5 cryptocurrencies to 100 to 1000x. Let me know what your favorite one was. Also, I have been doing shorts lately, so make sure that you watch the shorts on YouTube. And I'll see you in the next video. It is lights out, all out.